The Aesthetica Cosmetics Beauty Sponge is the only blending sponge applicator tool for powder, cream and liquid makeup you'll ever need. This makeup sponge provides a flawless, edge-less application to help you look your best, every day, and is perfect for contouring with the Aesthetica Cosmetics Cream Contour Kit. The rounded end of the makeup sponge is great for blending on the cheeks, while the precision of the sponge's tip makes covering minor imperfections easy. Use the flat edge around the nose and eyes for contouring, to get an enhanced, beautiful and smooth complexion that appears airbrushed flawless. Made from non-latex foam and 100% vegan and cruelty-free. This makeup sponge is simple to use and easy to clean, making it a great choice from amateurs to pros. It's easy to optimize your beauty routine by using this multifunctional beauty sponge. Edge-less design for maximum and seamless coverage. Can be used with foundation, cream blush, primers, powders and other makeup products. The Aesthetica Cosmetics makeup sponge is easy to clean with mild soap and water. Can be used wet or dry. Dab the makeup sponge gently in the makeup and bounce it along your skin for a natural, flawless look. Minimal absorption with maximum coverage and made to last. Top reviews from the United States. Very nice makeup sponge. I've been using the Aesthetica sponge blender for over a year and find them to be of good quality. Hold up well through many cleanings and don't deteriorate as other blenders do. Recommend.